Gotta relax.
Guys, so here we're removing the diff.
And now here's human music.
All you need to take off is these guys.
Human music.
These two diff
I like it.
things. Those guys, and then there's this guy here. About weld it. Alright, so we got the diff out. I didn't know.
I like it.
My dad figured this out. But there's a 17mm nut that you have to go over on top of the subframe. And then that's how you get this bolt out here, along with these two diff bolts
I
there,
like it.
which are 12mm. 12mm, where is it? This guy. But yeah, see, this is the bolt that went over there that I dropped. I can't get. This guy. You saw it sits there. I didn't know that. I couldn't find any information on how to take this off, so now you know there's a nut there. Look at this. Oh, isn't this cool, guys? Got the diff out, dude. Sick. So we got that off. Look at that. We gotta fix that ASAP. Oh, open as fuck. Hey, look at that. No. So now we just gotta clean it with some brake cleaner and weld her up here. Okay, so we put the axles back in. That's when we're gonna go weld. This one video I watched, I forgot the name of it, but it made a good point to where you put your plate down. If you had your axles out, your axles wouldn't be able to slide in all the way, so you wanna make sure you have your axles in, then you put the plate in, and then you weld it up. So you make sure you have clearance so these can spin the way they want to. But yeah, I think we're ready to blast some heat to her, so we're just gonna go to the store and run out to go have a fucking better welder, because I have this little thing. That's not gonna do it. So yeah, we'll cut to that when we're over there. So I cut these two plates here. They seem a little thick, but they should do just fine. I just try to clean this as best as I could out. I got it pretty clean. So we're just gonna go take it over to the beast welder and just blab a whole bunch of welds on there. And it should be good. Alright, so I've got the diff over here. Brought my plates and my propane. And we got the good welder, so let's get to buzzing. Alright boys, so we hacked this shit in here. Get the gloves on. So we definitely burned some shit there. And double-sided that bitch on that side also. But yeah, I'm pretty satisfied for my first time. It should definitely hold, that's for sure. So let's get back to the garage. So clearing all this up. And then we're just gonna use this red high temp RTV. Kind of just go around this and see what happens. Okay, now that we got it all back together, we're going to seal her up and then put the gear oil on it and we should be good to go. Alright, finally got it to start. And this shit's smoking a lot. Alright, let's see both of these wheels spin. Right here. This is the test.